how's this for a little bit of throwback? I'm checking out a CD reader writer drive. Haven't had one of these on a computer in a long time, and I have stacks of CDs with videos and music and home videos and other sources of data on it. I think I have an ultrasound of one of my kids on a CD, and really need to get all that stuff, you know, ripped off of those CDs and put in the digital space. But they sent me over this CD drive. Now check this thing out. It's a CD DVD drive. That thing is super sleek, super thin, uses the USB C. It comes with a cable that looks like it connects. You can use USB-A or USB-C. It's got this interesting little Y on it. I'm not gonna unpackage that because, well, in my house, USB-C cables are a dime a dozen. I'll just pop that in on the computer, plug it in, and we're gonna set it down. All right, my computer picked it up. Now I do have a DVD RW drive here. So if I hit the eject button in the computer, boop, it pops right out. Of course, you always have the eject button on the front as well. All right, let's see what I have in here. This is an DVD RW here. Pop that down and pop it in. Let's see what I get. I have no idea what's on this disc. That's my headshots from a long time ago. I don't need that anymore. Luckily, I had some writable DVDs hanging around. So all I have to do if I want to add my files to a DVD, I was working on formatting the DVD to be used kind of like a flash drive rather than in a DVD player, but obviously you could burn it. It's a disk drive. It's what it is. It's super sleek. It's not huge is what I like. Also, since it's using the power from the USB-C, there's no need for an additional power outlet. So that makes that easy as well. Now that it formatted the DVD to be able to burn files to it, I can take and back up. I'm just gonna back up just a few. Just drag and drop my files from other reviews I've done straight onto it and give it a minute while it does its thing and burns the DVD. All right, so as you can see now, I have a DVD with a couple of the videos that I made actually on the DVD.